A single strand of spider silk is 5 times stronger than steel of the same thickness. That means if you had a steel wire and a spider silk thread, both as thin as a human hair, the silk would outlast the metal in a tug of war. Spiders spin this super material effortlessly from their own bodies, creating webs tough enough to catch prey many times heavier than themselves. Some webs are so strong and elastic, insects crash into them at high speeds and still can't escape. Scientists have tried for years to replicate spider silk in labs, hoping to use it for bulletproof vests, medical sutures, and even space tech. Nature's tiny engineers have perfected a substance that's lightweight, flexible, and nearly indestructible. Next time you see a spider web glistening in the morning dew, remember, you're looking at one of the world's most incredible natural materials, hidden in plain sight.